I think there is an opportunity for people to realize there are really good, high-paying, interesting jobs that require a higher end degree, like an engineering degree, and there are good ones that don't.
Yeah.
And as you can work in a factory and be doing some very technically challenging things and making good money without a degree. And then there's design aspects that you're going to obviously need a degree for and understand all the math, et cetera. So I think the more we can communicate that there are options, and that's part of what we're going to be doing at the foundation as well, is, trying to overcome some of those perceptions. There still is a stigma about saying, "Oh, I work in a factory." Really? Oh, so well, and we need to overcome that, because these are great jobs. These are great opportunities. And so we need to do a good job as parents. We need to do a good job as employers and that's part of getting that exposure. You're right on when you said, when you experience it, it's a whole different thing. When I go into a factory, there's not black curdling smoke coming out and that I'm, wading through, and it's not a coal mine type of thing. Coal mines are, but I think that's some of the perception that's out there, that it's this, really dirty thing, and it has changed. There are standards under which people, in an electronics space especially, there's clean rooms, there's HEPA filters, there's ESD. You have to put on your bunny suit. It's cleaner than your classroom at school in some of these things.
Cleaner than your kitchen at home. Yeah.
Exactly.
So, right.
So there's work we need to do to overcome some of those perceptions, and that's part of the role of the foundation as well, to share some of those updates and some of that visualization, so people can really virtually experience it and then get them in a place where they can actually experience it. That's why we're partnering with industry.